Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles on the script. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. You can also go and download their application. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the projects, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers, private, and your workspace. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, the settings, and the new project button, which is one of the most important buttons in all. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add subtitles on the script. So open the script and create a new project. So you can go and click on the new project here and choose whether you want the video project or the audio project in the top right corner. Then, of course, input what you want, video or audio. The script will automatically transcribe the audio into text. Wait a few moments for the transcription to complete. Click on correct text to review and edit the transcript for any errors, punctuations, and capitalizations. Click the captions button in the toolbar. Choose a style or template for your subtitles. Then adjust the position, style, color, and active word of the subtitles. You can also add speaker labels if needed. Preview your video to ensure the subtitles are correctly timed. When you're ready, click on Publish to export video with the subtitles or download a standalone subtitle file in SRT or VTT format. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.